Hello, I'm Frankie from Predator Airsoft. This is the unveiling of my brand new gun. If you can see, I'm going to cut it open right now and reveal everything to you guys.
And we will be doing a review on this gun in depth as well, but not tonight.
I'm taking this down. Wait, do you want me to take that one with me?
Recharge it. Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna just take this one down. Where's yours?
Hmm?
I'm taking yours and this one downstairs.
What? Alright, there's his Lancer tactical box.
As you can see, my Lancer tactical box right here. Beautiful unveiling of this magnificent gun. So you can see they give us a patch, batteries, a crappy harness, instructions, and they always keep it fresh pad.
Even comes with a foregrip as well.
Comes with a foregrip for gloves, and also comes with a bag of BBs.
1,000 .20
1,000 BBs.
Also with 2 rail covers.
With 2 rail covers as well. I'm not going to put them on, by the
You
way.
want to just take the gun out, show them?
Yep. Oh, wow, this is heavy. It's beautiful.
Alright, Frankie, outro?
Well, guys, thank you for joining me today. And again, this is Frankie from Predator Airsoft. Come back. We'll have more to reveal and later on shows. And have a great weekend.